Hello. In this video I'm gonna try to install macOS Sequoia on this aluminum MacBook from 2008, and I'm just gonna see if it is even possible to start it on this thing. It is 16 years old. Yeah, 16 years. It should be supported by OpenCore Legacy Patcher, and I just want to see how bad it is gonna run on this thing. First of all, it's been in my closet for 3 years, so I'm gonna left it on charger for like overnight, and then we will try to power it on and see if this thing is even working. Okay, so it looks like it's charging, and I connected the external mouse to it, and we can try to turn it on. Light is up. Okay. Yeah, this is running on old spinning hard drive, so it is gonna take a while to boot. Anyway, other thing is I'm gonna try to replace the hard drive with the SSD and replace the RAM. This has, I think, 2 GB, so we will try it with 8 GB, and it should help us to run Sequoia at least somewhat better. I don't even know what system it is running currently. Okay, come on. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna be good even with the SSD on Sequoia. Maybe it is booting so long because it was in closet for like 3 years and nobody turned it on for 3 years. So. Yeah, nice. So this is not the newest supported system, and we will see what we have here. If I remember correctly, the trackpad was not working very good. Like it is working, but it's not clicking. Like you have to press very hard. Because of this, I'm using the mouse. Yeah, so we have 2 gigs of RAM, 2.4 GHz Intel Core 2 Duo. And about the hard drive, I'm not sure. Okay, so we are running macOS Lion. I don't think we can run OpenCore Legacy Patcher on macOS Lion. So first thing we have to do is to install some newer system on this. I think the last one supported is High Sierra. I'm not 100% sure. We will see. Okay, so storage. Yeah, it has only 80 gigs. So somebody, and the memory is only in one slot. I don't know if you can see it very well. Yeah. Here. Because I have the original box, and it is saying that it has 2 gigs of RAM, but 1 GB in each slot. So somebody clearly downgraded this thing. Not good. Okay, doesn't really matter. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace the HDD and the memory. and then we will try to install the newer system so we can run OpenCore Legacy Patcher. Okay, we are ready to disassemble this thing. I found the 8 gigs of RAM, and I found this Samsung Evo SSD 500 gigs. Should be enough. Okay, the opening of this thing is pretty easy, at least for hard drive replacement. You just have to push this, remove the cover, and you have the battery and the hard drive. We can replace the hard drive right away. You just need to unscrew this. We can take it out, yeah, and put an SSD in it. I should replace the screws from this one to this one, but I don't care about that. Should work fine without it. Yeah, just like this. Okay, the RAM replacement, we have to remove the screws around this cover, so I'm just gonna do it. It will take a second. I removed all the screws, and we can take this cover off, and here we have the 2 gigs of RAM in a single slot. Not ideal, yeah, but don't care, because we have 8 gigs of DDR3 RAM. We can put it there. Done. I'm gonna put it back together. It's been assembled with 8 gigs of RAM and the SSD. I'm gonna use this external hard drive to install the newer macOS. Yeah, this is just the external box for the hard drive. I have, like, I don't know, 5 different versions of macOS. So we're just gonna connect it to USB. Hold option and power button. And I'm gonna try to install High Sierra on this one, which is I suppose, I never checked it. It should be the last supported macOS. No, I don't think it is last supported macOS. So I'm gonna check it on the internet. So I found out the High Sierra is not the latest supported macOS. The latest supported macOS is El Capitan, which I think I saw it on my hard drive, like this external hard drive. And we can try to install that one. Okay, so El Capitan, nice. Okay, it is working. So I'm not gonna bother you with the installation. I'm just gonna skip the video to the part where it's already installed and set up. Now we are in macOS El Capitan. I'm gonna zoom it a little bit for you so you can see the screen better. Like this. Yeah, sorry guys, it's best I can do. By the way, the screen is just bad. Yeah, it's really like the viewing angles are really bad. This is the MacBook. This is not a MacBook Pro. It's just a MacBook with a TN screen, and yeah, like really, you have to get it in the position where you can see at least anything on the screen. But about this Mac, and we have 8 gigs of RAM, which is nice, and the storage is 500 gigs solid state drive. Okay, so I have the flash, USB flash storage. I'm gonna put it here, and I have the open core patcher on that one. Okay, so we can copy it here. Other thing is, this put it into the system in like 10 seconds. So SSD made a big difference in boot time, even when the HDD, the old HDD, was running the much older system. Okay, test and test. Come on. Okay, we are in the open core legacy patcher. We can click build and install open core, install to disk, and Samsung SSD. This is the SanDisk flash drive. I think we can eject this. Okay, we don't need it anymore. Samsung SSD, and this one, and reboot. Also, I just want to show you, I already have the macOS Sequoia on the flash drive. Yeah, sorry. But you can install it here, like create macOS installer, download macOS installer, and install it on the flash drive. Yeah, so it's nothing difficult. It's gonna make your flash drive. It's gonna install the bootable macOS. Nice. So we can restart it. I'm gonna hold the option button, and I'm gonna connect. Okay, I'm just gonna show you. Yeah, I clicked restart. I'm gonna hold the option button, and I connected the flash drive with the macOS Sequoia installer. Okay, and here we are in the boot menu. We can select FreeBoot and install macOS Sequoia. I think this is gonna take quite a time to load it into the recovery menu, so I'm just gonna skip it. So we are booted, but we have a little bit of a problem. It is not recognizing the trackpad and the keyboard. I'm just you know, I tried the multiple mouses, the Apple ones. I tried multiple keyboards, like the original Apple keyboard with the USB cable, and nothing is working, unfortunately. So we have to find another way how to install it on this nice device. Yeah, I'm just gonna think about it for a while and I'll be back. I think I found the solution for our problem with trackpad and keyboard not being recognized. This is the aluminum 2008 MacBook. This is the MacBook Pro, as you can see, I hope so, from 2012. And what I think should work is that we can install the macOS Sequoia on the Samsung SSD, which was in our 2008 MacBook. We will install it on the SSD, put the SSD back into our 2008 MacBook and try to boot it. I really don't know if it's gonna work, but I think it's worth a try. We will see. Yeah. So luckily I have another enclosure. I'm just gonna put a SSD in it. And connect it to our 2012 MacBook Pro. And I think we can restart it. Hold the option button. Oh, also, one thing I forgot. We have to connect the flash drive with macOS Sequoia on it. Okay, so FE-boot, which one? Jesus, we have two. I don't know right now. No. I don't know what to do, to be honest. Come on. Okay. Yeah, so this one. We need this one. Okay, and install macOS Sequoia. Again, I'm gonna skip the setup, I mean the recovery menu, and I hope this time it's gonna let us install macOS Sequoia on the external SSD, which we are gonna use in our MacBook from 2008. See you soon. We successfully booted into installer of macOS Sequoia. I'm gonna just repeat myself again. I'm installing the macOS Sequoia with MacBook Pro from 2012 on the external SSD, which after the install I'm gonna put it back into 2008 MacBook. Hopefully this time it's gonna work, and I'm gonna just get through the setup to the home screen. And it's finally done. We are running macOS Sequoia on aluminum MacBook from 2008. Look at this. I already tried a few things. So as you can see, the widgets are working just fine. Wi-Fi is working. I tried the Bluetooth with my AirPods, no problem. Yeah, you can see it's connected. Also, I'm pretty surprised because it is working pretty nice. As you can see, for example, the settings are a little bit slower. Yeah, we can go about this Mac. I'm gonna zoom it for you. Here you can see we are running 2004 GHz Intel Core 2 Duo, 8 gigs of RAM, NVIDIA GeForce 9400M with 256 megabytes. MacOS Sequoia 15.0. Nice. Also, I tried the YouTube videos, and you know what? It is able to run Full HD video without any problems. Sound is working fine. Like, it takes a few moments when you skip the video. Look, like no lagging or anything like that. But this is 30 FPS video. I tried 60 FPS videos and they are not working very well. Even at 720p, 60 is lagging. Also, what I wanted to show you is the web page loading. Look at this, not bad at all. So really it's not that bad. Like the fans are spinning and it's not the quietest thing in the world, but still it's amazing how good it is running the latest macOS. What I checked is the macOS version which came out with this Mac was macOS Leopard from, I think, I'm not sure, I can check it which year it was. macOS Leopard release, yeah, 2007. And the latest macOS supported by this Mac was El Capitan from 2015, and now we are running the macOS Sequoia from 2024, so almost 10 years. Really nice. Okay, I think that's all for me. As I said, this was just a experiment. I just want to know if it's even gonna work, but it is working better than I expected. And in the next video I'm gonna try to run this Mac with the HDD and 2 gigs of RAM, because originally this Mac came out with the spinning hard drive and 2 gigs of the DDR3 RAM. So we will see if it's gonna even work and how bad it's gonna be. Thank you for watching. I hope you find it at least a little bit interesting. Yeah, thanks again and have a nice day.